Here is how I made this calligraphy painting. The paper is really large, so I painted and painted and painted until the paper was covered completely in this blue textured layer. Then to create colorful waves, I painted lines in blue, yellow for some pop of color, white for brightness, and pink because why not? I also added splashes with the same colors to add further texture. Then I traced the ayah with pencil because this was a big piece and I was scared to mess it up. After tracing, I started to fill the letters with black marker. Look how satisfying it looks. This part was so therapeutic. To create contrast, I filled these squares with white paint marker. And I also wanted to add some glitter so badly. So here I am using this beautiful gold acrylic paint. Now I am thinking how I use so many different art mediums in just one piece. Poster colors, pencil, plain marker, thick paint marker and acrylic paint. And here is the final piece. I am totally obsessed. It turned out better than my imagination. I'm gonna get it framed and gift it to my brother. Follow for more.